Welcome to AI Adventures. Today we're diving into the dynamic world of Python language and artificial intelligence, specially curated for our young tech wizards. Picture this, a language so simple, yet so powerful, it can help machines think. Python, in the world of AI, is exactly that magic wand. It's like your favorite video game. You control a character, Python lets you control a computer. You decide the actions, Python performs the tasks. Fancy a quick game of chess or solving a tricky math problem? With Python, you can program your computer to do just that. Unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life. Imagine coding a chatbot that can talk like you, or even better, like your favorite superhero. But remember, every superhero needs a mentor. That's Python for you in the AI world. It's your guide, your friend, helping you navigate the AI universe. So, join us on this exciting AI adventure as we explore Python and create our world, one line of magic code at a time.